Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with some super fabulous news. You guys all remember my SnapShots camera project. So here it is if you don't know what I'm talking about. I designed this camera and I created a tutorial on how to create this camera. In the tutorial, I give you instructions on how to create your camera template. All right, it's all math, right? So I give you that step-by-step instructions. I think it's easy. Lots of you think it's easy. However, a lot of you were having trouble cutting out your circles. All right, I recommended a Cricut, all sorts of things. Well, anyway, for those of you who said, I can't do it, I did one better for you. Right now on my website, I'm offering these snapshot pieces cut out all ready for you. All right, all you have to do is put it together. You will have to make some cuts, but they're all straight cuts. You know, like for the surround, and again, the tutorial tells you everything. For the belting, all straight cuts. You don't have to do any special cuts. And it makes the process a lot more enjoyable and it makes the process go by a lot so much more faster. All right, so if you're interested, right now in my shop I've got the camera die cut pieces all ready to go to you if you order it. All right, now a few things for those of you who've ordered this already and for those of you who are about to receive it. All right, these are laser cut, all right, with a heavy chipboard. When you laser cut things, and I learned this is very new to me, it has like a black soot or ash on it. So you will have to it's going to get on your hands. All right, you're going to have to wipe it down with a baby wipe, a paper towel, whatever, just a quick wipe. Don't soak them, people. It's chipboard. All right, so a quick wipe will take care of that. I also want to tell you that they come they're packaged in a nice humble Ziploc bag. All right. If I do pretty paper phenomenon packaging, that costs more money. There's no need for pretty packaging. So a simple Ziploc bag is how your pieces will come to you. All right. Packaging costs money and I don't think that's necessary. So I hope you appreciate that savings. But you can see in the packaging, there's a little bit of the soot on there. Hopefully you can see it. I want you to be completely aware of that because when you pull it out, you're going to get like ink. It's going to look like ink, but it wipes right off on your hands. So be aware of that. Oh, there's a good one right there. See that right there? All right, because they are laser cut. Alrighty, so you get both your camera front and back. You get the inside pieces, and that's this right here. Oh, whoopsie. I always forget my flash. That's this part right here. All right, so you don't have to cut out any of the shaped areas. And then of course you get all of your circles to make your lens. What's great about this is that you can pick up your template, if you can pick up your chipboard pieces if you want, but if you want to make another one, you can actually uh, make it yourself, all right, with a piece, starting off with a piece of 12 by 12 chipboard, because I take you step by step on how to create this template yourself. But if you want to make this camera and you want to get it done quickly, I have the pieces for you on my website. I'll link you all down below to the pieces for you can pick it up. And of course, you need the tutorial to put it all together. So I'll link you down below to both of those purchase options. And it's really beautiful. By the way, if you're interested in the album that's in here, this is the Shaker album. All right, where it has a shaker cover, front, side, and back. So this, I will link you down below to that as well. This is Picture Perfect Volume 5. All right, so I will link you down below to all your purchases. I hope you are excited about the template pieces or the die cut pieces. So I hope you love it. For those of you who know me, know that I only do quality. I don't do junk. So this is a heavier weight chipboard than what I put in my kits. All right, so this is very substantial and I know you all will love it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and pick up your die cut pieces. Bye-bye.